I got a new light from my desk. The only problem is it comes with a remote control and it needs AAA batteries. I'm always running out of AAA batteries. I got the Sky Leo LED desk lamp sent to me to make a video about. It looks really nice. It even has a remote control, but it didn't come with any batteries. So luckily I bought this giant pack of Amazon Basic AAA batteries. You can see how they look. They got a nice bright orange color, and then they say the Amazon Basics on them. And you get 3 packs of 12, so I'm not very good at math, but that's a lot of batteries. So yeah, it's pretty nice to have a bunch of AAA batteries when you need them. Seems like so many things now require the little AAA ones. They just fit right in. And now I got batteries for my remote. And we'll go ahead and test it out. There's a nice yellow color, a little easier on my lights. That's good for nighttime. There's some nice bright colors. They're good if you want to do some reading. So yeah, it's nice to have my remote all set up so that I can control my new lamp. So yeah, if you're looking for a giant pack of AAA batteries, these Amazon Basic AAA batteries are pretty nice.